Hey everyone, welcome to Joystick Lab. In this channel, we talk about computer science, AR, VR, game development, and AI technologies. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for future updates. You may already know you can destroy a game object using destroy method in Unity. It removes a game object, component, or an asset. Now, this is basically remove this game object right after the current frame. So after this update loop is completed, it destroys the game object immediately. If we want to wait for a while, we can put a time. For example, I can put 2, that will wait for 2 seconds before it destroys this game object. Now, if we wanted to destroy this game object immediately without waiting for the current frame to end, we can use something called DestroyImmediate. That will destroy this game object immediately and should not wait for this frame to end. This will come handy when we are writing editor script. For example, if we have a script that is executing in edit mode, we can use DestroyImmediate to destroy a game object inside this script. Because delayed destruction doesn't work in edit mode, we cannot use normal destroy method to destroy a game object inside edit mode. On the other hand, if you want to destroy a game object in your gameplay script, always use normal destroy methods. Don't use DestroyImmediate. You have to be careful when using DestroyImmediate because it may destroy the assets permanently.